welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chacales. They're also called, or people call them CHUALES, and it's a dried Mexican corn. Okay, and these are my ingredients. We have Cominos, we have salt, tomato, garlic, onion, and a cube of Knorr de Pollo. Our chacales, dried corn, and we're gonna have also oil. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we're gonna wash our chacales. As you see, they have to be cleaned because some corn are a little black. So we're gonna do that next. Okay, here we are, we're cleaning our chacales. And if you see these little black, little kernels and they're a little black, so we need to take them out. Okay. This one over here. Okay, as long as they're nice and clean. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and rinse them. So we're going to go ahead and put them in our pot. We have our pot here full of water, and it usually fill it up all the way to the top. So we have our washed chacales, and go ahead and pour them in there. And then we're going to go ahead and take our salt, and we're going to put of salt. And we're going to go ahead and let it boil. And once it's boiling a little, just go ahead and reduce the heat, and we're going to go ahead and cover it. While our chacales are cooking, I'm going to show you how to cut up the ingredients. We're going to start off with the onion. I do have some cut up already, but I'll show you how to cut it up in little squares. It's better to cut it up in little squares. The smaller the better, because I know a lot of kids don't like the onion, and the smaller they are, the better, because that makes it disappear. Okay. How tiny these are. Okay, these are our onions. Okay, and we're gonna do the garlic mix. We're gonna do our garlic, and I already have some cut up. Let me show you how to clean up the garlic. These are the garlic heads. Okay, so just slice them like that. Okay, just little squares. Now that we have all our ingredients cut up, we will need a pan and some oil to fry them. Okay, but first let's check on our chacales, because I know they're starting to boil and we need to reduce the heat. Now that our chacales are boiling, we're going to go ahead and reduce the temperature. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and cover it, and it's going to cook for like 2.5 hours. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put some oil on our pan so we could start frying our ingredients. Let's start sauteing our ingredients, and we're going to go ahead and start with our onion. Of course, I did put a little bit more onion. You could either put more or less. It's up to you. And we're going to saute for maybe like two minutes will be good. And after the 2 minutes, we'll go ahead and add our garlic. And in garlic, I usually either put 1 little garlic, or you could have 2 or 3. And it's up to you. We'll saute that for another 2 minutes. And then we'll add the tomato. The tomato, you could also add as much as you want. After we saute our ingredients together, we're going to go ahead and add the cube of Knorr de Pollo, and then we'll set it aside. Now that we have all our ingredients fried, we have our onion, our garlic, our tomato, and the cube is in there. We're gonna go ahead and smash our Cominos. That's about like a spoonful of Cominos, and we smash them really good. A lot of people use the powder one, but it's better to use a whole Comino. It gives it a better taste. And of course, if you don't like the taste, you don't have to add the Comino, but it does give it a really good taste. Okay, so I think that's enough, and then we're gonna go ahead and add it into our fried ingredients. And then after that, I mean, we could just leave it there, and then once it's ready, we'll go ahead and pour it into our pot. After the chacales have been cooking for 2 hours and a half, which I left them for 3 hours. I know they're very hard sometimes. So we're gonna go ahead and add our ingredients, which is the onion, the garlic, and the tomato, Cominos, and the cube of Knorr Pollo. After adding all the ingredients, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more water so they could be a little juicy. And just because these absorb the water, pretty quickly, we'll just add more. And then we're gonna leave them boiling for another 20 minutes. And of course, we could go ahead and cover them. The chacales are ready. It looks so delicious. Let's go ahead and pour some into our plate. Our chacales are ready. Let's go ahead and try them. Look how delicious they look. And either you could put queso cotija or mozzarella cheese. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some queso cotija on mine. And what I do like is Valentina. It's one of my favorite. So let's put Valentina and let's try it out. It's delicious.